The Kellogg Foundation, WKKF, is one of the largest philanthropic organizations in the United States, with a rich legacy rooted in community service and a strong commitment to racial equity, health, education, and economic development. Established in 1930 by breakfast cereal pioneer Will Keith Kellogg, the foundation was created with the guiding principle that the most effective way to help people is to help them help themselves. Origins and founding principles. W.K. Kellogg founded the foundation with an initial donation of $66 million in Kellogg Company stock, equivalent to about $1.3 billion today. His vision was to create a foundation that would improve the health, welfare, and happiness of children, and by extension, their families and communities. This foundational focus on children remains a central tenet of the foundation's mission even today. Kellogg was a firm believer in practical philanthropy. He envisioned a foundation that would not just give aid, but would empower individuals and communities to create sustainable improvements in their lives. The foundation adopted the motto "Help people help themselves," which continues to inform its funding strategies and community involvement. Mission and vision. The W.K. Kellogg Foundation's mission is to create conditions so all children can thrive. This is supported by three key areas of focus. Thriving children, ensuring that children are born healthy, are well nurtured, and prepared to learn and succeed in life. Working families, supporting families to have stable and gainful employment that allows them to support their children. Equitable communities, promoting equitable access to opportunity and dismantling systemic barriers to social and economic inclusion. In addition to these focus areas, WKKF emphasizes racial equity, community engagement, and leadership development as essential tools for advancing its mission. It believes that systemic change cannot occur without addressing the underlying racial and economic inequities that many communities face. Programs and initiatives. The foundation works extensively in the United States, particularly in Michigan, Mississippi, New Mexico, and New Orleans, places with high rates of poverty and systemic inequality. It also maintains an international presence, particularly in Mexico and Haiti, and has a strong history of working to improve health, education, and economic outcomes for marginalized populations in these countries. Some notable initiatives include the America Healing Initiative, a nationwide program launched to address racism and promote racial healing in communities. Family economic security, supporting job training, entrepreneurship, and workforce development programs for low-income families. Food, health and well-being, focusing on access to healthy food and nutrition education, especially for children. Education and learning, investing in early childhood education and literacy programs that set the stage for lifelong learning. Racial equity and community voice. The W.K. Kellogg Foundation is widely recognized for its strong stance on racial equity. It views racism as a major obstacle to success for children and families of color. As a result, it has embedded equity work into all of its funding streams and programs. The foundation created the Truth, Racial Healing and Transformation (TRHT) initiative, which is designed to address the historical and contemporary effects of racism in the United States. Another defining feature of WKKF's work is its deep commitment to community engagement. The foundation believes that solutions are most effective when they are led by those closest to the issues. It often provides long-term funding and technical support to grassroots organizations, empowering local leaders and investing in their ability to bring about change. Leadership and governance. WKKF is governed by a board of trustees and operates through a professional staff based in its headquarters in Battle Creek, Michigan, with regional offices in cities such as Detroit, New Orleans, and Albuquerque, as well as international offices in Mexico City and Port-au-Prince. The foundation has consistently emphasized ethical leadership and the importance of values such as trust, accountability, and collaboration. It works across sectors, partnering with other foundations, government agencies, and non-profits to amplify its impact, legacy and impact. Over the decades, the W.K. Kellogg Foundation has played a transformative role in American and global philanthropy. Its work has improved the lives of millions of children and families, and its influence is felt across sectors from education and health to economic development and racial justice. Kellogg's original endowment has grown significantly, and today the foundation has over $8 billion in assets, granting hundreds of millions of dollars annually to non-profit organizations around the world. Conclusion. The W.K. Kellogg Foundation stands as a powerful example of how private wealth can be used for public good. Its sustained commitment to racial equity, community-driven solutions, and child well-being continues to set a high standard in the philanthropic world. As society grapples with complex social and economic challenges, WKKF's work serves as a reminder that meaningful change is possible when people and communities are empowered to help themselves.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.